Hi everyone, Petal Bless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys my springtime floral wedding centerpiece. Yeah, that's what I'm calling it, you guys. I can't wait for spring. I thought, I'm gonna make a nice little centerpiece that's springtime inspired for a wedding. Yeah, so come on and let me show you the items that I'll be using. Alright, we have these gems here from Dollarama, but you can also get them from Michael's or Walmart, these sizes. And we have these containers here from Dollar Tree. And I got this container here from Dollarama, you guys. We have some candles from the Dollar Tree. And we have these round foam here from the Dollar Tree. And we have these clear plastic containers, also from the Dollar Tree. And we have our bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. Oh, it's so shiny. OMG, I love it. And we have some gems from Totally Dazzled too. And we have a round mirror from Dollar Tree. And we have these flowers here that we got from Dollar Tree. And our handy glue gun. Alright, you guys, let's get started on our spring wedding floral centerpiece. Alright everyone, we're going to start with our gold bling wrap, which I've cut into strips, and we're just going to place them around our clear plastic container, going all the way around. And now we're going to add some of our gems going all the way around. And now we're just going to put a few more strips going around with the gold bling wrap. Now we're going to add one of these lovely gems from Totally Dazzled to just bling out our little stand. And as I show you, the tabs are easy to remove on the back. Now we're just going to add some gems to our candle holders, going all the way around the bottom, just the bottom part of the candle holders, you guys. Now using the gold bling wrap and these foam containers from the Dollar Tree, we're going to make a riser for our centerpiece. I want a tall riser, so that's why I'm using 4 of them. Just glue them together with the glue gun. And then we're going to put the mirror on top. You need somebody that's gonna be there for you, girl. You need somebody that's gonna be there for you. That's me, you know I'm waiting. Yeah, wave it, baby. Wave it, baby. You know I'm waving. Baby, you know I, baby. Wave it, baby. I'm waving. I'm waving. And now for our large vase, we're going to add these gems going all the way around the bottom. And now we're going to add a row of our bling wrap going all the way around the bottom. And now to add our flowers, but first I'm going to add these little gemstones. I didn't show you in the beginning. They're from Dollarama. I'm just going to add them into the bottom of the vase just to bling it out and have it look really nice. And then we're just going to add our flowers inside, which I'm just folding the stems of the flowers and placing them inside the vase. And here's our finished look, you guys. Our springtime floral wedding centerpiece. Like I said, spring. I'm waiting for spring. I'm so glad it will soon be here. So I love how this centerpiece turned out, all blingy and nice. I love the gems and the bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. I think it just gives like an added rich touch to the design. Place the centerpiece on top of 4 of the Dollar Tree mirrors. I think it looks very nice. And I love how the blinged out riser looks. With the higher riser and the bling going all the way around. It looks very nice. And I placed some flowers into the bottom of the 2 vases of our candle holder, which is very nice. I like how it looks nice and clean and elegant and fresh. Fresh for spring, you guys. OMG. I can't wait for spring. Anyways, I love the gems from Totally Dazzled. And I'm going to leave a link below to Totally Dazzled so you guys can go over and check her out and see what nice gems that she has. And you can order some for yourself also. Alright, I hope I've inspired you with another lovely DIY for you guys to do. Alright everyone, I'm going to have a giveaway. Remember I was telling you guys that I'm having a giveaway with some of these gems from Totally Dazzled? Yeah. So, today's the giveaway. And the giveaway is going to be running from today, February the 17th, until February the 24th, 2018. Yeah. And there'll be one winner for this giveaway. And the rules for the giveaway is you have to like this video, give me a thumbs up, and you have to be a subscriber to my channel, and you have to leave a comment saying springtime. Yeah, the comment you have to leave is springtime. And you can say something else if you like, that's okay. And these are the prizes that you'll receive. Now we have some of the bling wrap here, the gold shiny bling wrap, which is so nice. And we have these napkin holders, you guys. These are so nice. There's 4 napkin holders in the pack. Let me see if I can just show you how it looks a little better. I hope you guys can see that. They're nice and shiny. I love them. They look super cute. So there's 4 of these. And we have all these lovely gems, you guys. Aren't they so nice? I love her gems. They're just shiny, nice, and so beautiful. So we have all of these. Will be in the package. Everyone, so the giveaway is going to run until today, February the 17th, until February the 24th, 2018. And don't forget, the rules are you have to like, thumbs up this video, be a subscriber of my channel, comment springtime, and there'll be one winner. And that's it, you guys. And I wish everyone good luck. And thank you for coming on and seeing the DIY that I did for today, everyone. And don't forget, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Blessed. Bye-bye, everyone.